Hello everyone, today we delve into the world of food safety management as we explore the scope and structure of ISO 22000. ISO 22000 is a critical international standard that sets the framework for a robust food safety management system. Let's start by understanding what ISO 22000 is all about. At its core, ISO 22000 is designed to ensure food safety throughout the entire food chain. Whether you are a farmer, processor, distributor, or retailer, ISO 22000 provides a systematic approach to identifying, managing, and reducing food safety risks. It's an international standard that harmonizes food safety practices globally. Applicability and scope. ISO 22000 is applicable to a wide range of organizations in the food chain, regardless of their size or position. This includes food processors, manufacturers, retailers, and even service providers related to the food industry. The standard considers the diverse nature of the food supply chain, making it adaptable to various contexts. Structure of ISO 22000. Now, let's explore the structure of ISO 22000. The standard follows the high-level structure HLS, which is a common framework shared by many ISO management system standards. This uniform structure facilitates integration with other management systems, streamlining processes for organizations seeking multiple certification. Clauses of ISO 22000-2018. ISO 22000-2018 is divided into several clauses, each addressing specific aspects of food safety management. Let's briefly walk through these clauses, understanding the key elements of each. Clause 4. Context of the organization. The journey begins with Clause 4, which focuses on understanding the context of organization. Here, we identify external and internal factors that can affect the achievement of food safety objectives. This step sets the stage for the development of a tailored food safety management system. Clause 5. Leadership. Moving on to Clause 5, leadership plays a pivotal role. Top management is responsible for demonstrating commitment and providing the necessary resources to establish, implement, maintain, and continually improve the food safety management system. Clause 6. Planning. Clause 6 involves the planning phase. Organizations must consider risks and opportunities, determine the scope of the FSMS, and establish food safety objectives and plans to achieve them. This ensures a proactive approach to managing potential issues. Clause 7-8. Support and operation. Support covers resources, competence awareness, communication, and documented information. Operation involves planning and controlling the processes necessary for the effective operation of the FSMS. Clause 9. Performance evaluation. Clause 9 focuses on performance evaluation. This includes monitoring, measurement, analysis, and evaluation of SFMs. Internal audits and management reviews are conducted to ensure ongoing effectiveness. Clause 10. Improvement. Finally, Clause 10 emphasizes continual improvement. Organizations must react to incidents, learn from experiences, and continually enhance their food safety management system to adapt to changes and emerging food safety risks. In conclusion, ISO 22000 provides a structured and comprehensive approach to managing food safety risks. Understanding its scope and structure is crucial for organizations aspiring to achieve and maintain certification. Thank you for your attention, and I encourage you to explore further to enhance your understanding of ISO 22000. Thank you.